Welcome back to my channel and thank you for following me along the way. If you like cruising old Route 66, Tucumcari, New Mexico has so much to offer to anybody that enjoys the Mother Road. In this video, I'm going to give you a close look at the Blue Swallow Motel in Tucumcari. This historical motel on Old 66 is simply fascinating. I am in Tucumcari, New Mexico right now, and I stopped to visit the famous Blue Swallow Motel. Let's do a walk around. I wish it was nighttime right now because this is a beautiful neon sign when it's lit up. Look at this glass block water fountain. Sitting on the property here, they have a Hudson Hornet. Not sure what year this vehicle is, but it's pretty sharp. All original looking. One of the most unique features of this historical motel property is each individual room has its own garage space. I was pleasantly surprised when I walked up and looked into some of these garage spaces and noticed that each one was uniquely decorated with either signage from this property in the past or unique Route 66 themed artwork. Another beautiful neon sign. I want to thank everybody for watching another one of my videos and following me along the way. I also want to thank all of you who have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate the support. And until next time, take care.